Well, it's been a full 30 days since I made my last cat video because you never know, right? Life sometimes throws you some hardballs sometimes, you know? Well, after the ambulance came and took me away, the cats got a little paranoid and Mama Cat went and hid the kittens, and we couldn't find them for 2.5 weeks. But with the persistence of my friends, my good buddy Dr. Ron from up north, and my good landlady who keeps me alive, these guys cleaned up my living room and they found the kittens in the couch exactly where I thought they were going to be. Believe it or not, Mama Cat's still nursing these guys. Even though Mama Cat today was making sounds of like she's in heat. She's in heat again for sure, you know. So I gotta get that taken care of. But the Humane Society seems to be booked up for like 4 months, and they're the only place in Michigan, as far as I know, that's not booked up for a whole year. But I've been holding off, and I haven't shown these kittens the laser yet. So let's try to show that right now. I hope this comes out. First, the serenity of Mama Kitten, who's giving, nursing her little baby kittens. And I hope this comes out again. Can you see this? Okay, hang on. Oh boy, let me see. Oh, I hope you can see this right here. Mama Kitten. Oh, Mama Cat. Oh, I hope that came out. Hang on. I hope this is going to work out here. Hang on a minute. It's okay. Mama Cat's kind of squatting. Can you see this okay? Yeah, this never works out. Yeah. Wait a second. Man. See this here. Yeah, he's like afraid of the thing here. Oh, there he goes. Oh boy. Hope you guys can see this here. Huh. Man, they're kind of lethargic. Mama Cat knows what to do. Oh, there they go. Hope you guys can see this. Alright, that's gonna be it. It is the 16th of June, 2023. Cat reporting from Livonia, Michigan.